Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many NAudio users encounter. The problem at hand involves mixing two audio chunks together to create a new mixed chunk that can be sent back as a uint RTP packet. Mixing audio chunks is a common task in audio processing and can be quite challenging to implement efficiently. So, how can we solve this problem using NAudio? Let's delve into the solution that I provided earlier. The key to mixing audio chunks in NAudio lies in the custom method called MixBuffers. This method takes in the audio chunks to be mixed as parameters and combines them into a new mixed byte array. The method loops through each source audio chunk, reads samples from it, and adds or averages them to create the final mixed audio chunk. By carefully managing the sample offsets and buffer sizes, we can ensure that the mixing process is done accurately and efficiently. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of mixing audio chunks in NAudio by leveraging the MixBuffers method. This solution allows us to combine multiple audio streams seamlessly and generate a new mixed audio chunk ready to be utilized in various applications. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding and keep mixing those audio chunks.